Scientists are currently doing research on the necessity of a booster shot. And 2 News reporter Aaliyah Williamson is live with more from doctors on what you can expect.
Yeah, Brooke and Mark, the last statement from the CDC about booster shots was made in July of 2021 and stated that at this time, fully vaccinated people don't need a booster shot. But as concerns about the virus mutating and becoming more resistant to antibodies grow, the discussion and research continues. Dr. Nancy Pook with Kettering Health says booster shots are not a foreign concept in the medical industry.
We're aware that different vaccines are going to come into play with different diseases. So the fact that coronavirus is similar really doesn't surprise us.
Both Pfizer and Moderna have made statements saying that a booster shot may be necessary for more antibody protection, meaning people will get a third dose of the same vaccine formula that's already been given.
I think the initial thought is that any initial boosters would be that same formulation until studies are done that would alter it for variants.
Doctors and scientists are currently researching and trying to determine if the booster is needed because the antibodies are weakening or if the virus itself is mutating to resist the vaccine.
Think of it like a fire extinguisher in your kitchen. You don't need that fire extinguisher unless you have a fire. So if you have months and months later an exposure to COVID-19, just like if you had a fire in your house, you can now take out that tool and use it. As the mutation gets farther away, we will learn whether that spike protein is enough to carry us into the future or whether there needs to be adjustments.
Well, in the U.S., 71% of adults have at least one vaccine dose. The Department of Health and Human Services says if a booster shot is needed in the future, they do have enough supply to provide them. Live in the studio, Aaliyah Williamson, 5 on 2.